morning everyone, this is Parveen. Today we are on the third session of class 8 geography chapter 3 biotic resources. In our last session we have seen that there are different types of natural vegetation, that is forest, shrubs and grasslands. We have started with the forest. There are different types of forest. You can say that there are 6 types of forest which we are going to learn in this chapter. In our last session we have completed 3 different types of forest, that is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest and temperate evergreen forest. Now we are going to have other 3 different types of forest or other types of forest to complete that particular topic. So the 4th type of forest which we are going to learn is temperate deciduous forest. What is temperate deciduous forest? It can be found in New Zealand, Japan, Northeast China, Northeast USA, Chile, etc. And it can be found in the climate where it can be found in the moderate climate where there is no heavy rainfall, there is no high temperature and there is no high cold. So it it can be found in the places where we have a moderate climate. So over here when we talk about the characteristics of temperate deciduous forest, their trees shade their leaves in winter season, not in summer season. Like in tropical deciduous forest, their trees shade their leaves in summer season, but in temperate deciduous forest their trees shade their leaves in the winter season, and it has thick trunks and broad leaves are there. Thick trunks are there and broad leaves are there. Leaves are not small, but it is broad and trunks are there, and it has moderate temperature and rainfall. It can be found in the areas where we have a moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. It does not require heavy rainfall because it does not have a long trees, but it has a thick trees which has thick trunks and broad leaves. Now when we talk about the plants and animals which we can found in temperate deciduous forest are beech, oak, ash, fir, maple, cedar are the plants which we can found in temperate deciduous forest. And deer, wolves, foxes, squirrel, etc. are the animals which we can found in this particular forest. Now moving on further, next one is Mediterranean vegetation. Now this particular vegetation or this particular forest can be found in Southwest USA, Southwest Africa, Southwest America, Italy, Spain and France. Now when we talk about the characteristics, it can be grown in the region where we have a dry summer and wet winter. That means it requires wet winter and dry summer. It requires a hot climate and it also requires a cold climate, both for these types of forests to grow. It can be found in the Mediterranean places. That is why it is also called as Mediterranean vegetation. Now when we talk about the leaves, it has a broad leaves and thick brand wax coated leaves. It has thick, broad and wax-coated leaves because winter season and summer season it requires both hot and cold climate. Now, it is also because of the broad leaves and wax-coated leaves. This particular forest is also known as orchids of the wild. Now, when we talk about the plants and animals, citrus fruits like grapes, oranges and watermelon you can find in that particular forest, and it also has olives, pine and fir trees. When we talk about the wildlife, this particular forest is very famous for golden eagle, spine mouse and wild goat. Now moving on further, last type of forest is coniferous forest. Now what is coniferous forest? This type of forest can be found in northern hemisphere between 50 degree to 70 degree north latitude. It can be found in those particular areas which is situated in the northern hemisphere like Canada, Russia, Norway, etc. And it is also called as, this forest is also called as taiga. It is pure and untouchable. Taiga means which cannot be touched. So this is a forest, or this is a kind of forest which is also called as Russian forest, which is not touched by any human being. Not much human being is visited this kind of forest or this particular forest. It has straight and tall trees, and trees have needle-like shape. And when we talk about the natural vegetation or wildlife, larch, fir, pine, cedar can be found in this particular forest, and mink, polar, silver fox and muskrat can be found in this particular forest. So we have completed with all different 6 types of forest, which is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, then temperate deciduous forest, then we have Mediterranean forest and coniferous forest. I hope you have understood all these 6 great types of forest. Now in our next session we are going to see about the grasslands and shrubs. Till then, thank you.